Hi guys, today let's see how do we remove duplicates from a sorted list. So the question reads, given the head of a sorted linked list, delete all duplicates such that each element appears only once. Return the linked list sorted as well. So we are removing duplicates from a linked list, and the constraint that is given to us is the list is guaranteed to be sorted in ascending order, right? So let's take the first example. So we have 1, 1 and 2, and since this one is duplicate, we shall return 1 and 2. From second example, we have 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, and we shall return 1 is a duplicate and 3 is a duplicate, so we shall return 1, 2, 3. So this is fairly easy problem. All we have to do is change our pointers. So the logic goes, let's check the first element, which is this element, to the next element, which will be 1, and if these two are same, we'll make this pointer point towards the next element. Instead of pointing towards 1, this 1 will point towards 2. So that's the logic, and let's code it up. So what do I call it? Let's just call it previous element, and we'll set it to our head. While we have previous element, this means previous is not none or empty set, and we have previous next element also, which means we have another element. What we'll do is, first here we'll compare. So we'll compare previous value, which is 1, to previous next value, which will be next will point towards this node, which will be, so previous dot val is 1, 1 and 2. Previous next val will be 1, because previous next will be just 1 and 2, just 1 and 2, and value will be 1, right? Since if they are same, what we'll do is previous next. So now we are saying if it's same, so this pointer now it's pointing towards 1. So since they are same, instead of pointing towards 1, now point towards 2. So which means previous dot next, right? So let me explain once, line 10 and 11. So first we are comparing our initially our previous value is 1, 1 and 2. So previous value will be 1, and the next will be 1 pointing towards 2. So we're checking previous dot value to previous values next. So previous dot value will be 1, and next dot value will be previous next was 1 and 2, and that value will be 1. So in this case 1 equal to 1, so this if statement is true. So we'll go to line 11. So line 11 is initially our previous dot next. Our previous is pointing towards this 1 and 2. Here we are saying instead of pointing towards 1 and 2, go to your next. So previous next is 1, and other next will be 2. So now 1 will point towards 2. I hope that made sense. Else if they are not same, we'll say previous, move on to previous dot next. Right, now let's return our head, and let's run the code. All right, submit it. Yeah, and that's how we solve this problem. Thank you.